Speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now the S21 Ultra has the Snapdragon 888 processor, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 11 and its latest version of One UI 3. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has the Snapdragon 865 processor, 12 gigs of RAM on One UI 3. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Both are 5G. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Let's find out, right? Meow. What will happen? And, oh, okay. S21 Ultra. Booting up a little bit faster here. And we're done on the S21 Ultra. Go ahead and let the S20 Ultra do its thing. Come on, baby, let's go. Swipe to open. You can do it. All right, come on, weather widget. Let that do its thing real fast. And here we go. And we are in. All right, man, let's get this thing started. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on both phones. No recently used apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Draw. Messages, draw again, the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. A little bit faster on the S21. Let's go ahead and fire up the clock on both phones. Very close again. Start this up, let that run in the background. Calculator. Man, can't really see a difference yet. Play Store. A little bit faster on the left. Let's see, let's go ahead and click on a random app. What can I click here? Just click on this one. We'll leave it on this page, Amazon. And again, very close. You guys are the judges. Click on this deal of the day. I'm gonna click on this eye cream. A little bit faster on the S21 Ultra. This one, very close. Click on this. Basically a draw, Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see. Ooh, very close, but I think the S21 a little bit faster. Oh man, so close. Let me know in the comments. Temple Run 2. All right, loading on both phones and very close this time around, but I think the S21 a little bit ahead. Let this run. See what happens right here. And a little bit faster on the left. Tap to play. We'll go ahead and just leave it. This one. Loading on the S21 and the S20 is right behind it. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. I think the S21 is ahead. And it is, as you can see. All right. We'll give the win to the S21 Ultra on this. This one. Oh, I think the S20 might be out in front. All right, quite interesting, okay. Oh, and we'll give the win to the S20 on this. Huh, all right. So the S20 is like, I'm still relevant in 2021. And you can argue that it is. Anyway, this one, and let's see here. Looks like the 21 is a little bit out in front. Okay, let it extract files, let it do its thing. Both are neck and neck. S21 Ultra out in front here. Tap to continue. And we'll give the win to the S21 on this. And of course, we do have PUBG. PUBG Corporation. Let's check this one out. Ooh, okay. I think the S21 is out in front, loading on the S21. Oh, but the S20? Nope. S21 Ultra with the win. And what is this? Get rid of this. Not a big difference though. Twitter. Pretty much a draw. I think S21 a little bit ahead. IG, draw. Snapchat, S21, a little bit chrome on both phones. Get rid of this, set that as default, I guess. Okay, so let's do a search for, that. Go. Quick internet test here, and looks like the S21 a little bit faster. Click on this one, and ooh, S20 a little bit faster. This ad came up first on it. Now scroll all the way down. Now both phones have nice large displays, so browsing the internet really shouldn't be a problem for either device. Get rid of this ad, and we'll go to the desktop version. Which one's faster here? S21 a little bit faster, so you can see. All right, pinch to zoom, not bad on both phones. Nice and large display. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, let's take a look at the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, as you can see. So we're just gonna go ahead and run through these apps again and see what happens. Any lags, any stutters, any reloads, we'll document. Let's kind of see what happens here. Looking good so far. Modern Combat 5, both are reconnecting. And both good to go. So not an actual reload, just had to reconnect, etc. This one, and the same thing, ready to continue. Very nice. Angry Birds 2, good to go on both phones. Subway Surf, ready to resume on both. Very nice. Temple Run 2, ready to resume. Whoops, a little bit of a mistouch, but you get the idea. You can resume, no reload. Very nice. Mario Run, ready to continue. eBay, ready to purchase this if I wanted to. Amazon, Play Store, same thing. Calculator, wow, nice and fast on both. Clock, still running in the background. Camera, pick up the phone like this. Draw. Messages, draw. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Overall, I think the test was pretty much neck and neck. Not really a big difference in terms of the app loading speeds. So if you have the S20 Ultra, are you gonna switch to the Galaxy S21 Ultra? I know the S20 Ultra had some autofocus issues with the camera. That's been fixed in the S21 Ultra. Also, I think the S21 Ultra looks a little bit better design-wise. I like how they integrated the camera module with the frame of the phone. Looks pretty nice. But with all that said, are you gonna switch if you have the S20 Ultra to the S21 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.